Okay, this is the brief on the next generation of AI video, Sora 2. So, what's the big deal? Well, people are saying Sora 2 is basically the closest thing we've ever seen to, like, artificial general intelligence, AGI, but specifically for making videos. It's a huge step, really kicking off a whole new era for creating stuff digitally. Definitely something to pay attention to. All right, let's break down what makes it so special. Three main things jump out. First, the realism and physics. It's kind of shocking, honestly. I mean, how it handles motion and, physics stuff, it's not just making pretty pictures. Get this, Sora 2 can generate a perfect kickflip or even a whole tennis match, looking totally real, all made up by the AI. Second thing, the features are just next level, making everything incredibly immersive. The quality is so sharp now, it's almost impossible to tell it apart from reality. They've got this new Cameo feature where you can literally put yourself into the scene. It feels like stepping into another world. Plus, the way it handles light and shadow, that dynamic range is absolutely off the charts. And finally, think about what this means for making movies, or really for anyone. It's like having a film studio right in your pocket. And the good news? You can actually jump on the waitlist right now. Just head over to higgsfield.ai/Sora2 AI video and sign up. Seriously, Sora 2 is bringing in this age of super realistic digital creation that anyone can access.